I beat them, come out, come out, come out. Me, I beat them, come out, come out, come out. Me, I beat.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just had to come on here real quick because today I am doing my photo shoot, my maternity photo shoot, and we're actually doing it, well, I'm actually doing it myself. So we are going in the suburbs to this place called, my nose ring. Let me sit you guys down. So, I'm going to this place in the suburbs called Selfie World, and we're gonna go there and we're gonna shoot some photos by ourselves using our phone and, you know, ring light and whatever. They have different booths and whatever. Like, if you've never heard of it, look it up. It's in different states or whatever. So we are going to Selfie World today to take pictures of, you know, like maternity shoot for my baby shower. My baby shower is in a week, and today's the only day we have to do it. So we're gonna do that. I already did my makeup and I got these curls in. Because honestly, this thing really works, you guys. Like, I'm gonna leave the link in my description box below. It's from Amazon. These I don't even know what they're called, but I don't even remember what they're called. Is it even on the bag? Heatless hair rollers. But anyways, like, these really work, and I'm just gonna set the curls in the meantime, and I might do a little tutorial on how I did this look. But anyways, I'm a little excited because it's something that I really wanted to do, and I wanted a poster photo to put at my baby shower and everything. So after we take those pictures, and I'm gonna see if they need to be edited or not. If they're edited, I'm gonna do it myself. If they don't need to be edited, then that's totally cool. We're gonna go print it out and blow it up as a poster to have it at the baby shower. So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna bring makeup stuff to touch up my makeup just in case, because I'll be wearing masks and stuff like that. We're bringing 2 outfits. We're gonna take 2 different pictures, a 2 different scene of pictures. So we have 2 outfits. So I'm gonna pack a bag and everything, and then we're gonna be on our way to Selfie World today. So I wanted to just take you guys on with me because I figured, why not? I was just gonna do little clips and then just put it together, but I feel like I just should do like a little vlog style. So all right, so next time you guys see me, probably we'll be on our way to Selfie World. Okay. Oh damn, my curls my eyes are wrinkling up too. Anyway, we're in the car about to head out, but we had to stop at I ain't even got no space. I had to stop at Chick-fil-A. We need like a car table.
That's some fat people shit. No.
We don't need a car table, babe.
No.
Heard. This fries could use some salt.
Man, everything could use some salt. You know.
What you trying to say?
Nothing.
Anyway, with the sun,
Well, I'm so surprised.
I can't stand you. Anyway. You're killing me. Because the fries are so good. Oh my God, I'm fat, okay? Anyway, how many times I'll say that? I'm used to vlogging by myself. You distracted me.
I'm not cute.
We're on our way to the place, so I will see you guys once we get there. Your phone gonna have to do the recording and my phone take the pictures. Yeah. I am cold.
Where are the engines at?
Oh my God.
Ciao.
Wait, was I recording that? I wasn't even recording. That's crazy. Okay. Well, we here at the place. Thank God. We're about to get dressed, hurry up for the first shoot. Then we got to figure out what booth we trying to use.
We're gonna see. So we were. We gained. We saw what we conquered. I stayed in there for as long as I could. I never would take pictures for more than an hour. Like that was